Good evening, classmate. Good evening, Prof. For our report is about social responsibility in selling. For the first slide, sales responsibility is a social responsibility in selling means conducting business in a way that is ethical and benefits society as a whole. It goes beyond simply following the law to consider the social and environmental impact of business decision. There are types of business whose production process has a negative impact on the nature or the people around them. For example, of the business is the plastic ware. So they are actually doing the process of their product. So they produce pollution, air pollution. But some of the company doing other ways not to harm the environment, especially the Mother Earth. So it's like doing a business without harming anyone or the environment. Like sa employee, the employee company will taking care of all the aspect of the employee, all the benefits and the well-being. So pagka nagki-create tayo ng isang business, we make it sure na hindi nakakasama sa paligid ang production ng business as well as sa mga tao sa paligid. Kasi not all the company do have the specialized place na walang residential. Kasi may mga company na ang production nila malapit sa residential. So, dapat ang company, they have to consider the environment, the safety, hindi harmful yung production nila, hindi nakakasama sa Mother Earth. So, yun yung social responsibility in selling, like creating a company that won't harm anyone, yung as a whole, ang country, ang Mother Earth, ang nature.